Today I'm going to tell you about the Antigravity batteries MicroStart Sport, Mini Jump Starter and Personal Power Supply. The MicroStart line of products is the best-selling and best-rated mini jump starters and power banks on the market. In fact, the MicroStart XP10 was recently awarded Best Jump Starter in Consumer Reports. There are currently 5 models of the MicroStart: the Sport, the XP5 Mini, XP3, XP1 and XP10. This video is about the Sport. It's available in white or black colors. The Sport is an extremely compact multifunction personal power supply. So simple to use. Just charge the Sport and jumpstart your vehicle and charge all your USB devices wherever you are. No longer worry about those dead battery emergencies. No need for bulky jumper clamps or a wall outlet. The Sport is a self-contained backup power supply. Jumpstart any of these vehicles multiple times off one charge. Also, the Sport can charge USB cell phones, tablets, GoPro cameras, GPS and Bluetooth devices easily. It has a convenient built-in LED flashlight capable of lighting up those dark places. The Sport is one of our smallest models. It is 3 inches by 5 inches by 7/8 inch thick, and it weighs only 9 ounces. It has 8,000 mAh of capacity, and has 350 peak amps for starting up to V8 vehicles. The Sport comes in a very compact carry case with everything you need to start your vehicle and charge your USB devices, including a Sport, a 4-in-1 USB cable which is used to charge the Sport or to charge USB devices, and also our super safe mini jumper clamps. It's perfect for everyone: drivers, travelers, students, campers, boaters, backpackers, off-roaders and more. The Sport is ultra compact and easy to carry backup power. Don't forget to check out our complete line of accessories for the MicroStart, as well as all the amazing products from Antigravity batteries. Thanks for watching.